ICT, or also known as Information and Communication Technology, is a broader term for information technology which refers to all communication technologies, including the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, computers, software, media application, and other services. ICT developed in 1970s. In 1970s, ICT industry started developing of electronics, computers, and information theory. Through the improvement and generation of ICT helps daily lives and the community with aspects of health, communication, production, education, and for workplace. ICT helps everyone to provide newer, better, and quicker ways for people to do tasks or work more easier. Computer in our daily life. Nowadays, many of us have personal computer for educational or work purposes. But what is computer first? Computer is an electronic device for storing, processing data, or a person who makes calculation, process, output, and storage function. Computer networks nowadays have various providers, for example, Globe, Smart, PLDT, and most popular is the Verge. The higher Mbps you have, the faster internet speed, but it's very expensive. When pandemic comes, we recommend you to stay home. More client and user use internet or data connection for online class or work purposes to avoid infect by COVID-19. There's two ways to connect to your router, wireless or wired connections. Wireless are more often used by laptop, mobile phones, and etc. While wired connections use cables. And we have three desktop applications that will help you in educational purpose. First, OnCam. OnCam is an application used by recording your screen in your desktop. Photoshop, and highly recommend editing photos or animation purposes. 3. Microsoft application like Word, Presentation, Access, can edit, create, and read document files. 3 mobile application for educational purposes. Photomat. For mathematical calculation, you also need to take a picture of your assignment. It gives you instantly answer. Number 2, Merriam-Webster, and mobile app for dictionary. 3. YouTube, for video tutorials.
Internet. Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol Suite (TCP or IP) to communicate between networks and devices. www, or also known as World Wide Web, is an information system where documents and other web resources are identified by uniform resource locators, which may be interlinked by hyperlinks and are accessible over the Internet. Relationship of Internet and www. Without Internet, you can't access www or sites in browser engines, as simple as that. Origin of Internet and its evolution. Internet developed in 1960s. It started in Web 1.0, followed by Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. Internet developed everything in virtual information and various purposes for individual interest. Here are the 3 sites that may help you in educational purposes. Number 1 is canva.com. Canva is an online design and publishing tool with a mission to empower everyone in the world to design anything and publish anywhere. Number 2 is coolmath.com. Coolmath is an online mathematical calculator for different formula and mathematical problems with a friendly features. Number 3 is udemy.com. Udemy is an online tutorial site for BSIT students support features like various programming language, markup language, and scripting language. We recommend you to use an online platform for your transaction to keep away from infected by COVID-19. Thank you.
Internet of Things. History of IoT. Kevin Ashton, co-founder of the Auto ID Center at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology or MIT, first mentioned the Internet of Things in a presentation he made to Procter & Gamble in 1999. Wanting to bring radio frequency ID or RFID to the attention of P&G senior management, Ashton called this presentation Internet of Things to incorporate the cool new trend of 1999, the Internet. Examples of IoT: connected appliances, household products such as refrigerators, washing machines, security cameras, doorbells, door locks, light bulbs, and thermostats that are computer-based and connected to the internet via the home's Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Wearable health monitors. Wearable technology in healthcare includes electronic devices that consumers can wear like Fitbits and smartwatches, and are designed to collect the data of users' personal health and exercise. How does IoT works? An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded systems such as processors, sensors, and communication hardware to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environments. Advantages and disadvantages of IoT. Advantages: ability to access information from anywhere at any time on any device. Improved communication between connected electronic devices. Transferring data packets over a connected network, saving time and money. Automating tasks, helping to improve the quality of a business's services and reducing the need for human intervention. Disadvantages: as the number of connected devices increases and more information is shared between devices, the potential that a hacker could steal confidential information also increases. Enterprises may eventually have to deal with massive numbers, maybe even millions of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be challenging. If there's a bug in the system, it's likely that every connected device will become corrupted. Since there's no international standard of compatibility for IoT, it's difficult for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. Application of IoT. IoT applications run on IoT devices and can be created to be specific to almost every industry and vertical, including healthcare, industrial automation, smart homes and buildings, automotive, and wearable technology. Increasingly, IoT applications are using AI and machine learning to add intelligence to devices.
Code of Conduct for IT Professionals. What's Code of Conduct? A code of conduct is a set of rules outlining the norms, rules, responsibilities, or proper practices of an individual party or an organization. And there are 7 types of code of conduct. The first one, authority and responsibility. IT professionals must not misuse their power. Second one, knowledge and experience. Professionals must understand their limits. The third one, attitude. Professionals do not work for just themselves, but also for others. Communications. Professionals understand the importance of communication. The fifth one, consequences of professionals' work. IT professionals must understand the consequences of their work as part of a long chain, at the end of which is the user. Sixth one, other people. IT professionals must respect the work of other people, and in so doing take other people's right to their creations into account. The last one, promotion of ethics. Professionals must promote ethically sustainable ways of acting within the field of information technology.
The negative practices on social media. These are the most common. Cyberbullying. There are different kinds of it. Posting rumors, threats, sexual remarks, and hate speech. Sharing personal information. Whether it's yours or not, do not share any personal information. Full names, address, and other information that might be used by other people in a bad way. Posting insensitive content. Be humorous but stay away from insensitive jokes and pornography posts. Few common signs of a toxic personality include lying frequently and putting others down. For instance, If someone you know is constantly posting self-pitying statuses on Facebook to get attention, they may be a toxic.